Iran's elite military power is split between two parallel branches, the regular army, known as the Artesh, and the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, or IRGC. While the Artesh focuses on traditional border defense, the IRGC units specialize in asymmetric warfare and internal security. The most famous of these is the Quds Force, the IRGC's primary tool for overseas operations and military intelligence. On the ground, the Sabrin unit serves as the IRGC's elite rapid response force, specialized in counterterrorism and hostage rescue. At sea, the SNSF Marines handle amphibious warfare and ship protection in the Persian Gulf. Within the regular army, the crown jewel is the 65th Airborne Special Forces Brigade, or NODE. These are the Green Berets, top-tier paratroopers trained for irregular warfare in any terrain, from high mountains to dense forests. They are supported by the 55th Airborne and Specialized Marine Brigades for coastal defense. Domestic security falls to units like NOPO, the police department's highly trained counterterrorism force. From the mountains of Iran to the battlefields of Syria and Iraq, these units have gained extensive combat experience, evolving into some of the most battle-hardened special forces in the Middle East.